Hey guys, good morning. It's been a minute. This morning we are at an open house for Malone's Pond up in Ball Ground, Georgia, and we are going to be doing some sneak peeks of some walkthroughs of these beautiful homes in Ball Ground, new construction, semi-custom, with some amazing features that you're not going to find anywhere else. Stay tuned. I'll be sending some clips out as we go through the open house today. We'll talk to you guys. Beautiful views and entertaining options are not going to be a problem in this home. When you take a look at the glorious dining room that we've got here, right at the front door, you'll be able to look up and down the street, and you've got such an open floor plan that allowing your guests to wander through and mingle is going to be a breeze. You've got a great opportunity for a truly functional office here in this property with the beautiful judges paneling, and it looks like the light's blowing it a little bit, so I'll get this shot from a different angle as well. But look at this beautiful paneling that you've got on this wall. Here's a second view of that office with much better lighting so that you can see all of the light fixtures and the gorgeous paneling. Hey everybody, good morning. We're here at Malone's Pond in Ball Ground, Georgia, and we are in the amazing living room. You've got to look at some of the upgrades that are in here. We have a floor-to-ceiling fireplace, and it's not showing up in the camera, but we've got some beautiful wood beams that I will pull that up later so that you can take a look at it. And we're going to be keeping walking through the house, and we're going to show you all of the fabulous stuff that's going on here today for our open house weekend.
I'm going to say sandwiches if you can, I don't know. Oh, I do know. I saw something. Let's see.
8 left. Well, 4 out of the 8, 2 already ready to sell, and then 3 under the truck.
Oh, good.
I drove right past and went to Reese, sorry.
Where is everybody?
I want to do that again. We are in the master bedroom to give you a quick sneak peek of what that looks like. We've got some beautiful upgraded light fixtures and some of the beautiful upgraded trim that we see here on the wall behind us. And the next place that we're going to walk through is going to be the master bathroom and the master closet. Okay, we are in the master bathroom now, and we've got these beautiful cabinetry and double vanities. We've got all of the upgrades in here. Maybe you can see behind me in the floor, we've got beautiful tiled floor. We have the master closet that we're going to go in next, and the beautiful shower that we have over here. The camera keeps shifting on me, so we're going to get some still shots of that I'll mix in later, but you'll get to see everything and all of the upgrades and all of the beautiful fixtures in this home. Can't wait to show you guys. We'll show you soon. Take a look at all of the great upgraded shelving in this home. Storage is not going to be a problem. You are going to have plenty of options and ways to organize everything that you need in your master closet. Right through the master bathroom, you've got access to the laundry room, and here right outside of the garage door and the laundry room is a great functional drop area for all of those book bags, shoes, coats, etc. Keep keeping storage for all of those great recipes that you want to try is not going to be a problem in this fabulous pantry. You've got some great entertaining options here. We've got the upgraded brick backsplash on this amazing butler's pantry right here between the kitchen and the dining room. Need to get away from the activity downstairs? All you have to do is come to this upstairs loft. You can decorate it how you see fit, and you will still get a beautiful view of those added beams in the two-story family room. Or you can use this as office space. Bedroom with suite upstairs with its own private ensuite with a huge closet is going to be great for your guests or for your additional family members. And you've got an amazing view of the area right here in Ball Ground. All these trees, beautiful streetscape. It's going to be a great view, especially lit up softly at night or at Christmas. Can you just picture it?